Okay, so this is a hall, very large one, very large one. They are almost done. Everything that they are using to do the house is available. So that is the kitchen. That's the kitchen. You see, almost done, almost done. Very large kitchen too. And then there's the washroom and bath. They are almost done. They are almost done. So you see the washroom and bath, and then this is the first bedroom. Yeah, this is the first bedroom. And then the second bedroom, when you move out, there's a porch. There's a porch, and also, so you see the second bedroom, and then that's the second bedroom, washroom and bath. Almost done, almost done. They're going to tile the place, everything.